them zoes about. We gon' keep it active, we gon' do a lot of running miles. Real cute bitch, nasty ass attitude. You ain't getting money, why the fuck you think I'm starting?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. It's your girl Sherry, and we're back with another video. So in the first clip, we are going to get into how I do my brows. So how I get from this to that. Yes, so stay tuned and I'll show you all the products. Benefit Brow Precisely, my NYX glue, eyebrow pencil, brush it up, brush the hair up, get the glue, start flicking your hair up in pressing motion. Get your pencil again, flick, flick, flick up, press, and carve out the top of your brow. Use the body of the pencil to press on your brows to give it a lamination look. Use your brow pencil and start carving your brows to the shape of how you laid the hairs. Start filling and shading, but not too heavy and not too harsh. Use a concealer. I use Tarte. Conceal the bottom part and just carve how your brows are shaped. Blend, just like tracing. And boom, to my likings. Yes, let's get into this video. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I always do that. But this is a get ready with me. I'm glad you guys saw how I do my brows. I am not going to be explaining what I'm using. This is just get ready with me because I'm about to go get something to eat and then go out to the mall. See anything new at a different mall, you know, new mall, new clothes, everything, all that. So let me get started because I have a stories for you. It's Venmo scam, it's Instagram scam, and it's Amazon fraud. Okay, all right. So who we gonna start with? Who tried me the worst? Instagram scam I already knew about how they be moving, so that didn't faze me. I played along with them. Let's start with Venmo. I'm gonna go with Venmo, okay? Alrighty. So you know how on Venmo or on any site you could reset your password, right? But for me, I never even went on Venmo in a minute, so I didn't see the email that they sent me like, hey, you know, here's an email to reset your password. Didn't know about that. So we're gonna go into just me getting a phone call. So I get a phone call and it says, hey, someone's trying to, you know, get into your account or do there's some fraudulent activity on your account. I say fraudulent activity. Not they trying to take my money. So I said, I got a new card anyway. I said, they ain't getting no money anyways because I got a new card. But I don't think they heard me because I'm over here like saying fraudulent this. I said, they ain't getting me no money. So they still going on along with, oh, so I think they just wanted the account. So they said to get your password, you have to reset your password. And I was like, you know what? Since someone wants to do fraudulent thing, oh, no one took any money out of it. No one took any money out of it. And I'm like, I hear people in the background like this person's up in their house. I'm like, this is weird. Hold on. I'm thinking in my head, why is Venmo calling me? Wouldn't I have, ain't no Cash App, ain't no Amazon Prime. They're not calling you. Like, you call them if you suspect something. Okay, so I'm saying, what is going on? Why is Venmo calling me, and why does it sound like they're not even in the office? They out their house. I said, you are getting scammed. They said, so no, there's no fraudulent thing that happened. They couldn't do it. So I'm gonna send you a link. I said, I'm just gonna cancel it. If you cancel it, you won't be able to get into your account. I'm like, I said, I'm gonna cancel it anyways. I use Cash App anyway, so it doesn't even matter. And I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and cancel it. And he said, oh, but he still didn't want to listen to me. He said, oh, I sent you a password reset. I'm sending it to your phone, and you just go ahead and we can do that with you over the phone. I said, they think I'm a dummy. I said, I'ma cancel it. It's cool. I'm good. And then he said, oh, okay, and then hung up. I went to my phone and I said, why would I need to reset my password? I seen the text and it shows, oh, click this link, to reset your password. But I'm not like, what? So I go on my Gmail and I seen, if this is not you trying to reset your password, then ignore this link. I said, someone, and I said, what's that zip code? I looked at the zip code, New York. Stop that scamming. So I go and I seen that email and I said, I'm not the one who's trying to reset my password. So I go on Venmo and I cancel the whole Venmo. Like, try somebody else. Actually, don't try anyone else, but not me. So y'all, watch out for Venmo scams because they be trying to scam out here. The scam is real. The scams be real. No, seriously, the scams be real. Let's see what's the next scam. Oh my gosh. Let me do Amazon. I'm gonna do Amazon's. It's not it is a scam. If someone's trying to take your money, it's a scam. I was gonna say it's a scam. It's fraudulent activity. Somehow, I don't even have my card on Amazon. I just signed up to go through the site. I don't know, but I never have it connected to my card connected. My card wasn't even my card wasn't even on my file. My Amazon, I seen on my TD Bank, I'm like, you know what? Let me go through my statement because I was spending a lot of money. Let me go through my statement and see what I've been spending my money on. I look all the way back to like November, and I was already in November, and I looked back and I seen there's a charge in October. I said, wait a minute. So I seen a charge for Amazon Prime. I said, what? I'm like, I don't even use Amazon Prime. What is going on? And I called them. I said, I don't have Amazon Prime. I don't do Amazon Prime. And I'm getting charged each month for Amazon Prime. I'm like, they gotta be kidding me. They gotta be kidding me. This can't be happening. So of course, I called them. They couldn't even tell me who was using my account unless I tried to figure out the name. And of course I couldn't. And they said they knew, but for privacy reason, they don't violate mine. Like they taking money from me, so obviously they're frauding y'all by using someone else's account. So now they couldn't tell me, but I got my money back from TD Bank, and I told them what happened and stuff like that. I don't know what happened. I don't know what's going on with that. So the sites I be shopping at is oh my god, I'm about to open my door for my cat because as you can tell, she's not gonna stop. I don't know what's going on, but I don't put my card in on Shein, so I go through PayPal to do it. So with that, I just got my money. I was like annoyed with that, and I got a new card and everything. Y'all, this last one, I already look, because I go on Instagram, I go on YouTube, and I look up all the scams that be happening and what to look out for. This girl, and she's one of many, because I just be ignoring them, but this girl came in my DM and she said, hey, you want something about trying to tell me to flip. She said, I said, hey, and then she sent me all these texts. I'm like, what am I supposed to do with this? Like, what is this? Oh, you know, these people trying to show me these are reputable people that got their money through this flip money. Ain't no flipping, okay? Okay? You flipping crazy if you believe it, but ain't no flipping fast cash money. Like, seriously. Go ahead and make your money, but do not try to do no scam like that, because that's how they get you. People are in a desperate time, so y'all don't fall for that. Seriously, do not fall for that. I'm like, should I ignore this girl, this broad? I'm like, you know what? Let's take her for a fool that she thought I was. So I go back and forth and answer hours later, letting her think that I'm going to go along with her scam. And that's not the case. Baby girl, I know about these scams. Baby girl, you got the right one, because I'm tired of y'all. It's like send $20, get 200 or something like, or send 500, get 1,000. You'll see on the text, it shows different kind. I went with the highest kind. She said, oh, you want this? I'm like, yeah, I want to do this. I want to get this much. And I said, where do I send this to? And she gives me the Cash App. I said, okay, hold on. I didn't do it. Then she hits me up again. I didn't do it. Then she hits me up. And I said, oh, hold on. I had something up with my Cash App. Something's up with my Cash App. And I told my sister this. I said, girl, this girl trying to scam me on Instagram. But I got something for her. I got something for her. I ended up going on my Cash App. I said, I'm going to do it right now. Okay, I had to do something. I had to turn on my Cash App card. I had to do something. Now she was over here waiting on me. Waiting on me. She said, yeah, she's about to send me this much. I'm about to make a lick. I'm about to hit a lick. Your mama. Not with me. Now they trying to take my money. See, so I ended up going on Cash App and I wrote a message. So I thought I was gonna be funny and said, I will send you a screenshot when I send it. I said, hey, I sent it. You didn't get it? And then I was ready with the block. I was ready to block her behind. So I wrote on the screen and I said, I'm trying to remember, but I said, don't quote me because I will put it right over here. Stop scamming people, something like that. Whatever you stole will be 10 times fold what you lose. Something like that, you know? Like, you don't be just taking from people. I solely believe that. Don't be trying to take from people and think that your karma ain't waiting. Your karma ain't waiting. Baby, your karma is waiting. Loading your karma. Oh, and then I blocked her. I sent that and then I blocked her. I said, you thought you was gonna get got? You got got. I know she was surprised. I know she said, this, oh shoot, she got me. It was her first. I knew I want to be someone's first surprise. You know? Like, oh shoot. Yeah. Underestimate. People trying to underestimate people. They thought they could get away with it. Not me. You finna learn today. I ain't the one to play. So let's see. I'm gonna come back on and when I'm done putting everything on, because I want to touch on a couple of things before I leave with all these scams, and to warn y'all to be careful. I'll be back. And I'm back. So, oh, let's see. Woo! Okay, there's the hair, there's the shirt, makeup, lips, liner, boom, glow, got it. So, to recap on what I was saying, watch out for these scams. Watch out for people, you know, commenting down on your comments saying, hey, we want you to be a brand ambassador. Scam, okay? So then they tell you, go ahead and message the other page and then tell them you want to be a brand ambassador. That's not how it works. No, 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 no. So I am going out. I'm going to go out to eat. Thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned to the next video, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay with me. Slay with me.
Ooh la la. Ooh la la.